I'm gonna teach you how to style your jeans for 2023. I read all the messages and I get it. Skinny jean girls are loyal and I got you. First order of business, this situation with the ankle boot, the tunic, outdated. The tight jegging with all the rips and the tightness top to bottom. I call it the Peggy Bundy. Let's talk about the type of skinny jean. Not a jegging, a true classic skinny jean. Like this style, something that looks like a true jean. It's all about how you style it with the top and the shoes. We're going to use a looser top, oversized. I know that word is super triggering, especially for millennials, but look how she styled this here. This looks so good. Chic, classic, modern, fresh. This styling is so good. She took the spring trend, denim on denim, a relaxed fit top with the jeans. Perfect. An oversized cardigan like this is a great way to balance out the skinniness. An oversized blazer is great. People are scared of oversized blazers, but keep the base fitted and then the blazer on top so you can still see her shape, but it gives a modern feel. Love this styling with the blouse and the mules. It's perfect, cool, effortless. Switch out the little ankle booty and go for a mid-shaft boot that has a little bit more volume, a slouch boot, and it's going to just add that modern look. Here on Rihanna, this look is just everything. Perfect examples of the boots. They have a little slouch, a little room. They're just the updated version of a thigh-high boot or an ankle booty.